Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this robot vacuum cleaner from GRUNDIG, the model VCR2330. Efficiently navigates the cleaning area to provide a more complete clean, with up to 100 minute running time, with two intelligent cleaning modes, automatic cleaning and spot cleaning. And the robot vacuum cleans your home with just one click or use the remote control. So let's jump in and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have a huge manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Included we have the power adapter with output 19 volt, 0.6 amp, 11.4 watt power consumption, the maximum. And the cable length, it is 2 meters. Included it is the remote control, start pause button and suction mode. Pull this to enable the remote control, and inside we have one battery, CR2025 if you want to replace the battery. Two cleaning brushes, and this brush for cleaning. Pull that left and right. At the front we have the power button and the spot cleaning button. The lid, you can open the lid and remove the dust container. 200 ml the capacity. Pull and empty the container, silicone rubber around, all the dust will stay inside of the container, and of course we have the HEPA filter. You can remove the HEPA filter, replace it after a long time of use. So easy to replace, silicone rubber around. And install it here. Press and it locks. And it is very easy to install back again the dust container. Here at the front we have the omnidirectional lensy bumpers. It will not damage your furniture. Silicone rubber around here. The power cord connection, and you can charge the vacuum. We have these huge driving wheels at the bottom, one 360 degrees wheel, and here you can install this cleaning brush. But you need to install it the right at the right and the left at the left. Yep, it says L and L here, R and R. Here we have the lower visual sensors, here, here and here. It is a typical robo vacuum cleaner. With two brushes is collecting the dust, and this is the inlet for the dust. Silicone rubber, All the dust goes from this inlet at the dust container. Inside it has a Li-ion battery, 14.4 volts, 2 ampere hours. On maximum mode it runs about 80 minutes and on quiet mode about 100 minutes. So let's test it, see how it works. But first I need to charge this vacuum, connect it at the power socket. We have a sound when it's charging, green light is slowly flashing, that means it's charging. So let's wait until it will fully charge. And as we understand, it doesn't have a docking station, this vacuum. You need to plug the power adapter directly at the vacuum. And it doesn't have a Wi-Fi connectivity. You can use it with your smartphone, only with these two buttons and with the remote control. I will show you. Fully charged, solid green, it is the LED light. You can press and hold the on-off button and switch off and switch on. Press once to turn on, and I will test the cliff sensor. It is at the table. Nice, it's working, I like it. And pause. Resume. And now we have red light and sound. Red light is flashing because I'm holding the vacuum is not at the ground. And press the button to resume. You can use the remote control to pause, resume, and increase the suction power with this button. This smart little device has been designed to take the hassle out of keeping your floors clean. And I hope this video has helped you see how it could fit into your home. The navigation system ensures that the vacuum moves efficiently around your home, avoiding obstacles and covering all areas. It learns the layout of your space to optimize its cleaning path. reducing missed spots. With 2 suction power levels and 2 cleaning programs, you can customize the cleaning process to suit your needs. Whether you want a quick touch up or a deep clean, the Robo Vacuum has you covered. The dust bin is easy to empty and the vacuum's filter and brushes are simple to clean, ensuring the vacuum remains in top working condition with minimal effort. With powerful suction tackles dirt, dust and debris with ease. Whether it's carpet, hardwood or tile, this robot vacuum delivers a thorough clean every time. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient robot vacuum to take care of your daily cleaning tasks, the GRUNDIG robot vacuum is definitely worth considering. It's designed to make your life easier, freeing up your time for more important things. I hope this review has given you a good insight into what the GRUNDIG robot vacuum can do. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more home tech reviews and tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next cleaning day.